Hello, today we will discuss page number 16, lesson 6, with topic round numbers. And so we will start with quick review. And our task is write the numbers from least to greatest. From least to greatest, okay? So I will make for you a little bit place and let's start together. The first, 17. 57 and 87. The task number 2, 23, 19, 16, 16, 19, 23. Task number 3, 37, 31, 23. It will be 23, 31, 37. Task number 4, 29, 32, 32, 3, 32, 33, and we are finished. So they are answers. After we must look and we must learn what it means rounding. Very, very important. So let's learn what is rounding. How close? So there are 43 third graders and 47 fourth graders going on a field trip to the zoo. About how many students in each grade are going to the zoo? 43 third class and 47 fourth grades, okay? They are going, so how many students in each grade are going to the zoo? Rounding, what it means rounding is one way to estimate when you want to know about how many. It can help you number line. So this is the example. We have here 43, we have here 45 and 47. As you can see, 43, it was a third grade. 47, they are students from fourth grade class, fourth class. About how many students they are going in each grade to the zoo, we read 43 is closer to 40 than 50. 43 rounds to 40. 47 is closer to 50, as you can see they are in the name, and 47 rounds to 50. Now you see 45 is halfway between 40 and 50, and now be careful, if a number is halfway between two tens, round to the greater 10. 45 rounds to 50. So we will make some small conclusions. So about 40 third graders and about 50 fourth graders are going to the zoo. What you have done is rounding the numbers 43 and 47 to the nearest 10. Okay, so we have here example number 2. We must round 374 to the nearest 10 and to the nearest 100. And another number, 2641 to the nearest 1000. How we will make it? We'll make together. As you can see, we have here our number. This is 374. And if we must round it to the nearest 10, look, 374 is closer to the 370 than to 380. So it means, as you see this distance and you see this long distance, and you can see this distance is smaller. It means we will round it to 370. Okay, we have another example, 374. Round to the nearest 100. Here we round it to the nearest 10. That's why it was 370. If we want to round it to the nearest 100, you see 374 to nearest 400 is like this, and to nearest 300 is so long distance. It means 374 will round to 400. This is correct. And we have number 2641, and we must make to the nearest 1000. So this is a number here, and the distance until 3000 is like this, and distance until 2000 is so big. So it means we round it to 3000, these numbers. Okay, if you see which the way is the smallest, then we will round it to this bigger number. Now we will discuss the rules for this rounding. So let's rounding rules. Find the place value to which you want to round. Okay, if you want to round to the nearest 10, to nearest 100, to nearest 1000, or like this, look at the digits on the right. If the digit is less than 5, digits is rounding place stays the same without changing. Then put 0 instead all of the numbers on the right. If the digit is 5 or more, the digit in the rounding place value increase by 1. Then put 0 instead of all numbers on the right. So it's a little bit complicated, but let's look. We will look together how we will make it together. To round 2641 to the nearest 1000, we have 261, and we must round it to the nearest 1000. As you see, this is 600, and since the number of 106 is greater than 5, you have to add 1 to the 1000 place and replace the hundreds, tens, and ones by 0. So 2641, it will be like 3, and we will put here, 0. Okay? Good. Another example. We must round 2641 to the nearest 100. The nearest 100. Look at the tens place. Since the number of tens is less than 5, then the digits in 6 in the hundreds place stays the same. But put 0 instead of these digits in the tens and ones place. So it means 2641, 641. If we want to the nearest 100, we look this. This is 100, and this is 41. It means we will go down 260. Okay? Here it was 6, and we must go to nearest number 1. Nearest more, it will be 3000. Okay?